Hello Sepedi learners, welcome back to Language Learning, welcome back to Sepedi Lessons channel. So this is day 10 of 21 day Sepedi challenge. So today we're going to be looking at sounds that are produced when two or more letters are put together. So without the waste of time, let's get right in with our today's video. So the first combination we have P and H. P and H is pronounced as P. P and H is pronounced as P. So these letters are pronounced exactly like the P in the word peach. So say the word peach. So the first sound of P in peach is exactly how we pronounce P in Sepedi. So for example, we have the word bophelo. Bophelo, which means life. So our next combination of letters we have T and S. So T and S are pronounced as T and S are pronounced as. So these letters are pronounced exactly like the in the word met. So say the word met. So the last sound of is exactly how we pronounce in Sepedi language. So for example, we have the word metsi, which means water. Metsi. T plus S is equal to T. So the next one we have T and L. So T and L is pronounced as T and L is pronounced as. So these letters are pronounced exactly like the in the word clock. So say the word clock. So the first sound of is exactly how we pronounce in Sepedi language. Clock. For example, we have the word ema, which means tie. Clock. Ema. Clock. So let's go to our next combination of letters. We have T and H. So T and H is pronounced as T. T and H is pronounced as T. So these letters are pronounced exactly like the T in the word take. So say the word take. So the first sound in take is exactly how we pronounce T in Sepedi language. For example, we have the word tusha, which means help. Tusha, take, tusha. So the next combination of letters we have T plus S plus H. So we do not have English words that contains T, S, and H. So I'm gonna give you a brief explanation on how to pronounce these letters. So these letters are pronounced as T. These letters are pronounced as T. These letters are pronounced with an aspiration almost similar to the T, that sound which we already explained earlier on. But the H in the H in that sound make it slightly different from the sound. So this sound, as I have already explained, is non-existent in English language. So for example, we have the word to, which means black in Sepedi. So for example, we have the word to, which means black. To, black. Tss, tss. So you can hear tss. So in tss, you can hear the sound tss, but we add a little bit of H. Tss. So breathe a little bit after saying tss, 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 tss. So let's go to our next combination of letters. We have T plus S with a cap. So in Sepedi language, we have a letter that is sh. So basically is just an S with a cap and is pronounced as sh. So in this combination, we have T plus sh plus H. This is pronounced as ch, is pronounced as ch. So these letters, when they are put together, they are pronounced like the CH in the word church. So the first sounds of church, CH, say church, church, church. So the first sound of CH is exactly how we pronounce T plus S plus H, ch, church, ch, church. Exactly how you say the ch at the beginning of church word. So let's go to our last combination of letters. So because of how broad this concept of combination of letters is, I'm not going to be making this video long. So we are going to our last combination of letters. So we have a T and S with a cap. So the previous one we had a T and S with a cap and H. So now we are removing the H. We are only left with T and S with a cap. So this is going to be pronounced as ch. Is going to be pronounced as ch. The last one was pronounced as ch because of the H. So this one is pronounced as ch. We do not have a H. So these letters are pronounced exactly like the G in the word engine. So some people pronounce engine as engine or engine. So the G is exactly how we pronounce the ch, engine, engine, engine. So we have the word le chachi, which means sun, le chachi, sun or day. So this is the end of our day 10 of 21 days Sepedi challenge. If you have any questions that you would like to ask, please don't hesitate to drop them on the comment section. The challenge for you is that on the comment section